Adding JavaScript to a Wix website allows you to create custom interactions and enhance user experience. To embed custom JavaScript code into your Wix site, start by accessing the Wix editor. Open your website in the Wix editor and click on the Add icon from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Select More from the Add menu and then click on Custom Code. This will open the Custom Code panel where you can add your JavaScript code. In the Custom Code panel, click on the Add Custom Code button and select JavaScript as the code type. Enter a name for your custom code and set the code location to body or head depending on where you want the code to run. You can then paste your JavaScript code into the code editor. Make sure to wrap your code in a script tag if it is not already wrapped. After adding your code, click on the Apply button to apply the changes. You can then preview your website to see the effects of the custom JavaScript code. It is essential to test your code thoroughly to ensure it works as expected and does not cause any issues with your website. Best practices for adding custom JavaScript code to Wix include keeping your code organized and well documented, using a code editor or IDE to write and test your code, and testing your code in different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility. Additionally, be mindful of Wix's security policies and ensure that your custom code complies with these policies. To avoid any issues with your website, by following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add custom JavaScript code to your Wix website and enhance its functionality and user experience.